Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming identity and access. This prevents wasted time and protects the patient. Next, gather EHR entries, labs, images, and signed consents, then quickly scan dates to establish chronology. Once done, triage records into urgent, routine, and informational piles so you know what demands immediate attention. Make sure to flag missing items and note contact points. This early organization saves repeated searches and sets the pace for an efficient, accurate review. You now build a chronological timeline, linking symptoms, tests, and treatments to see cause and effect. While reviewing, compare provider notes side by side to resolve discrepancies and understand differing impressions. Make sure to extract and tabulate meds, allergies, vitals, and critical findings. This gives you actionable data at a glance. As you synthesize, annotate uncertainties and highlight items needing follow-up. This keeps the review clinically useful and prevents overlooked errors. You finalize by writing a concise summary with your assessment, clear action items, and rationale. This guides the next clinician. Then, document sources and any unresolved gaps so future reviewers know what is missing. Make sure to communicate results to the care team and schedule follow-up actions or tests. If records are incomplete, troubleshoot by contacting referring providers, using consented record releases, or checking legacy systems. Escalate persistent gaps to ensure patient safety and continuity of care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.